Hello everyone, it's Patty and happy Thursday, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the stunning April sub box from Simply Gilded. And as you can tell, the theme of the month is Desert Dance, and I am absolutely in love with this kit, with the sub box, because it's so different from anything that I own. I love the colors, I love the graphics, so I am super excited to be doing this unboxing with you guys, because I have not even taken a peek inside the box yet. And if you are not a subscriber yet, please go to simplygilded.com and you'll be able to subscribe to this box, but do not wait too long. It will sell out, so you can subscribe to the main sub box and to the 5mm add-on subscription by going to simplygilded.com, and I will have the information regarding pricing below in the description box if you are interested. Now, again, every sub box from Irene comes in a beautiful metallic mailer, and then inside there is always these gorgeous boxes that I keep. I always say these are too beautiful to throw away, so I kind of keep them and then repurpose them in some way. And as you can tell, the attention to detail continues throughout the packaging. Even tells you the name of the box, so if you want, some people store them vertically in their bookshelves, and then it says volume 18. And then I will just show you how everything comes packaged inside. So you will receive your goodies all inside here, safe and sound. And I will take everything out of the box, off camera, because there's a lot of plastic and I don't want to, bother you guys with the plastic sounds. But I will come back and show you everything that is included in this month. And I'm back, guys, and I've taken everything out of the packaging, and the first thing I want to share with you is basically kind of like the menu or everything, a little card that comes in every sub box, which is genius because it tells you exactly what is included in your sub box. And I apologize, you won't be able to read it because my lights are so bright because it's a dungeon in here. But anyway, so it says Desert Dance April 2019 box, and the first thing that we're going to share with you is the foil journaling card, and I'm just going to go in order of everything that is listed. So first thing first, this beautiful journaling card. Now I collect these and I keep them all in a binder because they are gorgeous. The quality of the print is beautiful. The paper is nice, heavy cardstock, and with this buttery soft feel to it. There's a rose gold foiling, and then it says poke, which is absolutely adorable, and I just love it. So you can use this as as a journaling card, as a dashboard. You can use it as a page marker. The options are, limitless. Then we have designer washi tape. So every month Irene includes a ton of washi tape, and just the value itself, if you know how much her washi tape costs, this is basically the cost of the sub box, if not more. So you get 5 washi tapes, and I'm gonna show them to you one by one. So the first one, I think it's probably one of my favorite. And how gorgeous is this? You have this kind of like soft yellow color that goes into this beautiful little pink with the rose gold foiled bows, mini bows, and this is a 10mm, and it's absolutely stunning. I love this type of washi tapes. They're just like my favorite probably. Then we go into classic 15mm, which is also in this beautiful kind of like, not a rainbow, I can't describe it today, guys, but you can see that the colors go from rose, from a pink to like a gray, and then there is this straight line of rose gold foiling, and then a softer purple. It reminds me of the sky, kind of like at sunset. It's beautiful. And then we have one that it's like really I think this is the desert, it reminds you of a desert. They have this beautiful, and I want to kind of unroll it more to show you, because the background is kind of like not a brown, but like a beige color, and then there are these gorgeous flowers in these bright reds and greens and yellows that are printed, and then they have little dots of rose gold and little stars too of rose gold foiling on it, and it's just beautiful. It's just very much brighter than you can probably tell here on camera. and it's, you know, it's hard to sometimes to capture exactly how beautiful they are. And of course, here we go. This is another favorite. This is beautiful. These are the phase of the moon, and it's a 10 millimeter. I'm gonna be using this because I've been wanting to do kind of like a setup that has more of you know, like stars and sky, etc., and not astrology related, but kind of, and I love this. I wish this came in a larger one. I hope Irene comes back with a bigger one, and it has little stars that are in rose gold foiling again, and I just love this. And then the last one, it's another 15 millimeter in this beautiful, again, we're having this gradient colors from this kind of blue to like a soft green turquoise with the rose gold foiling. Absolutely stunning. So I want to show them all together, guys, just to give you, again, because sometimes it's not gonna be super perfect, sorry guys, but I wanted to show you how they all look together, because it's so much, and you can use them for so much, and I just really love how they all work together, and it's just too beautiful. So here they are, they're all together, and I can't wait to use them. I just already have ideas for some dashboard, washi dashboards, etc. Next up is the canvas pouch, and this is the pouch you actually will be getting your washi tapes in, so they are in here. And I love Irene's pouches because they are beautiful and they're very functional, and I use these for like makeup. I'm sorry, I had something on my finger, it got on the pouch, but this is beautiful rose gold, and then rose gold here with Simply Gilded design. It's, the colors are very soothing, and then inside it says Simply Gilded, and it's nicely lined, so you can use this even to take your supplies on the go, or again, I use them a lot for makeup pouches, and I change them out, and then, you know, put a little accessory things that you need at home. And then we have the beautiful pen, and I have to say, this was, when I saw this one in the sneak peeks, I just gasped, because how gorgeous is this? It's absolutely stunning. And I don't know, I can't even, like the rose gold foiling on it, the moon, the stars, is just too beautiful. And I love the way that these pens write. They write fantastic, and I just can't wait to use it. And you know, definitely I think this is setup worthy. You know, need to do a setup just because of the pen. Then we have the adhesive pockets, and this month we get 2 adhesive pockets. One is a larger one, which has the beautiful, you know, skyline with the moon and the flowers in the desert, and then there is this smaller one, which is this beautiful blue background with the moon, and they're both, you know, perfect, because this one is for your smaller setups, and this one is for your larger setups, and I use them in my page markers all the time. And then Irene gave us an extra, which is one of our little washi cards, which are so useful. These are made of this really, you know, thick plastic. It has this gradient coloring, again, from green to a pink. It says Simply Gilded here, and then it has a little little bow on top. And so this is like a little bonus that she gave us, and I just love it because this matches so well with the kit. It's just perfect. And then we go to the sticky notes, and it's just so cute. I mean, and it says poke here, again, rose gold foiling. These are very functional, but at the same time, they are so darn cute. I just love them. I just want to put them on my desk, you know, and just stare at it. And then we have mini Deco sticker sheet. So this is something new. Irene has come out with a whole line of stickers. So now you can get a beautiful quality or beautiful design in this kind of format of sticker sheets. And they're available on their Shopify store. There's a lot with beautiful juniper. And I share them with you, I think, on my Instagram account. But again, so you get all these stickers, the same buttery soft paper. This is like unicorn paper. And they are beautiful. They have rose gold foiling on them. You have all this little cacti on it. It says water, self-care, grow, feed me. And so it just, and I love the one with a little smiley face. That has to be my favorite one. So love this edition. This is something new. And then we have the beautiful Luxe sticker sheets, which Irene has continued to kind of change and make the format a little different so that you can use it even more than before. And the paper is now different than it was before. It's this gorgeous soft. This is lighter than before. It's buttery soft unicorn paper, and you get 2 sheets, and you get a lot because, as you can tell, you have 3, 5, 7, actually 8 full boxes that you get. So you have a full, if you're using an Erin Condren, this would work perfectly there. So on the first one, you said Wild Thing, and the rose gold foiling is gorgeous. Then we have little juniper with a beautiful wreath of flowers. Then Keep on Dancing, Looking Sharp, another one with the landscape. Then we have these headers with Today, Remember, Important, To Do, To Buy. We have some flags. We have some Deco, which is so cute. And then we have a second sheet, and we have 3 additional full boxes, which are more decorative. Then we have the days of the week, plus a few more of the Today, Remember. So you have plenty of headers. So then you have some icons, and then we have a little checklist, and then Celebrate. Now, if you remember, there was a little issue with the with this particular sticker that Irene has addressed before. So this one unfortunately was not cut through. So Irene did send out a 15% off coupon. So check your email. If you have not received it, please email us simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and we will forward you the email with the coupon code. But this has been resolved for next month. So this only affected March and April. And again, this is absolutely stunning. So this is all that is included, and it's a lot, in your March sub box. Now, if you're interested, if you love 5mm as much as I do, you can choose to also subscribe to the 5mm add-on, which ships for free with the main subscription box, but cannot be purchased separately. So you have to have a main subscription box to order this one up. And the price is amazing because it's $5.75, free shipping, and these are adorable, and they're beautiful. You have this beautiful pink with the rose gold stars in background. Then we have a gorgeous rose gold with the white stars, and a yellow with rose gold, and then a light blue. And I love these. I love the size. The 5mm is the perfect size to use in your layouts. I use them kind of like when I do separation between different type of washi tape, so I use these a lot. So again, guys, this is the April sub box from Simply Gilded, and I will have all the information below if you're interested in signing up. And don't miss out. I promise this is just gorgeous, and I hope you will love it as much as I do. And if you have any question, please reach out to me on Instagram. I'm probably I know I always answer all messages on Instagram, so it's probably easier to reach out to me there. But again, if I don't talk to you, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Bye bye.